the script, which I read first, you feel it's almost as if it's written by a friend you just don't know yet. It really speaks to you, it speaks to your humor, and it's very easy to identify and to love Emma and Dexter and to be part of their friendship, which is also why the story becomes very moving at a certain point, and I had to put the script down and cry. Emma and Dexter graduate on July 15th and meet on that night and almost have an affair on that night. And from then on, we meet them on that day in their lives at whatever stage they're in. Not always together sometimes, but always on the same day, and see them grow up through their 20s, see the phases they go through, their love lives, and how they once in a while meet each other and like each other more than anyone else. Emma is northern, insecure, has worked hard to go through university, literate, artistic, nerdy, witty, and probably if it hadn't been for Dexter's charm and magnetism, and that all girls fall for Dexter, he might not have been her type at all. He's much too posh for her, much too self-assured. She even says, "Why do you always look like someone is going to take your photograph in 2 minutes?" They are very different, but full of respect for one another, and the friendship is based on true that they are somehow soulmates, even if they come from very different backgrounds. I already knew Anne Hathaway's work, and I think she is extraordinary, original, unbelievably talented, and that she could really carry this film and would have an understanding of this long development that Emma goes through, that takes not just an actress who's able to identify and work, but also experienced in a way that you can hardly find anyone at that age. Jim Sturgess is unusually musical, a really good listener and a very good performer, and adaptable, warm. He's fantastic to be around. He's a gift to a crew.
23年前に出会ったエマとデクスター。
Emma Morley.
I'll walk you home.
Sorry, I'm not good at this.
Maybe we could just be friends.
惹かれ合いながらも親友の関係を選んだ2人。
I thought I'd make a difference, but no one knows I'm here.
I could just give you one gift. Confidence. Plenty more of this when we come back after the break, so do not go away.
No having a few drinks and getting frisky with me.
I think about you.
Really?
The king of car crash television. I need to speak to someone.
I love you, Dexter. I just don't like you anymore.
Dexter!
Emma. She made you decent, and then in return, you made her so happy.
当たり前の一日が忘れられない一日に変わる時。
Goodbye, Dex.
ワンデー23年のラブストーリー。